In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce largest contentful paint for faster page load time. So LCP, or largest content paint, measures how long it takes for the largest visible content like an image, video, or heading to load on a web page. So a good LCP score is under 2.5 seconds. If your site's LCP is too high, here's how you can improve it. So first, use next-gen formats. You can convert images to WebP, AVIF, or JPEG 2000 for faster loading. And then you can also compress images. Use tools like Tiny PNG, Image Optim, or Squash to reduce file size. You can also use responsive images. You can implement or input a code to load the right size for each device. You can also use lazy load non-critical images by adding loading equals lazy to differ off-screen images. And that is how you optimize images and videos. So, to optimize CSS and fonts, you can also reduce render blocking CSS via minimizing or inline critical CSS. You can also use a system fonts or preload fonts. And then you can also reduce the at import in CSS, directly link in style sheets instead of importing them. And also, you can also improve server response times. You can also use a fast hosting provider, enable caching, optimize database queries, and use a HTTP or HTTP3. You can also minimize JavaScript blocking, defer non-essential JS, and remove unused JavaScript, like using Chrome Dev Tools to identify unused codes. You can also minimize and bundle scripts. You can also reduce JS file sizes using Tersor or Uglify JS. And then you can also use a content delivery network, or CDN. So a CDN like a Cloudflare, Fastly, or Bunny CDN reduces server load by serving content from the nearest location. It also enables faster LCP element delivery to users globally. And after that, that's it. I hope you all understand, even though I couldn't show you directly the steps. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.